Hello, Blue Obi. How you doing, my twin sister? I haven't seen you in a couple of days. What's going on? I just got back in from Africa with the samples of diamonds. Oh, I said, Blue, you should see the diamonds. They just sparkle. Yes, I got through customs fine. I couldn't pay nobody off, but I got through. Mm-hmm. I said, God is good, though. God is good. I said, diamonds rain on me, diamonds shower on me. Hey, you want me to bring the samples to you? Just know that the shipment will be with you within 7 days. I've arranged that. So let your sister, I've been working my ass off for you now. Take the trip to Africa, to Nigeria for these diamonds and get the samples for you and set up everything for you. And you want the samples. There's about 100,000 here. It is worth 100,000. Let that be my payment. Hey, I beg. Hey, I'm not bringing no damn samples to you. I earned that. Just know that the big shipment of the diamonds are coming to you and the diamonds are good. Don't you trust me? Hey. Anyway, when are you sending my gorgeous nephew King to me? This weekend. Is it this weekend that you plan to go to Miami for the other pickup? Hey, who you taking with you? You're going by yourself. Are you crazy, Blue? I can't afford anything to happen to you. Why are you taking that risk? Listen, you are getting very sloppy now. You're getting very sloppy. I got plans. Let me send Snow White with you. She can drive in the same vehicle or she can drive in her own vehicle behind you. You need extra muscles, And you know Snow White is so beautiful. And she's very loyal to us. I'm going to send Snow White with you. Yes? Okay, good. I will call Snow White and let her know that she must stay with you. How long are you staying for? Just one night. Okay, that's fine. A quick thing, in and out, Yes, I'm so proud of you, my sister. I tell you, you're the godmother now. I'm so happy, Even though it should have been me. Hey, well, I guess Father know what he's doing, because I'm very hard-headed. You are the intelligent one, You are the calm and deadly one, Where if I'm going to kill you, I'll let you know I'm going to kill you. Where you're not going to say anything, you just put a bullet in somebody's head. Hey, I said bullet, I said bullet. Yeah. Anyway, Blue, I got to come off the phone. I'm tired. I am jet lag. You hear me? Jet lag, girl. I'm jet lag. Hey. I said I am jet lag. Anyway, let me ask you a question before I come off of the phone. Hey, are you in love with Dark Knight? You are? Pity. Hey. Pity. You get everything, sister? You are blessed. I'm telling you. Anytime you are fed up with Dark Knight, just pass him here to me. That cute son of a bitch. I said he is so cute. You are lucky, my twin sister. You are lucky. I'm sure he got a big one too. I could take it right now. I tell you. I need to go to Miami with you too, you know. Let's go drink and have some fun. You want to go by yourself? Okay, be like that. Anyway, I'm tired though. I'll talk to you later. I love you. All right, bye. My God, what a lucky bitch, She get the man, she get the mob, she get the diamonds, she get the money, She get everything. My father leave over 45 million for her and King, And what do I get? Nothing. I tell you, I'm going to make sure that Snow White killed that bitch. Let me call Snow White. Dead oh. I said she's going to be dead oh. I hope Snow White pick up. Snow White. My girl. Listen. I've arranged for you to follow. Follow that bitch Blue. Matter of fact, go in the same car with her and make it easier. Simple thing, in and out. Just make sure you put the bullet where it belongs. Eh? Make sure you do a good job now. In a few days, I will be the leader of the Black Mob Enterprise. I tell you, well deserved. Can you believe that bitch? I come back from Africa with the samples of diamond and she want me to give her the samples. Eh? I'm supposed to keep the samples for myself. That is my payment. I can get 100 or 200,000 for it. Eh? Greedy bitch. Eh? Put a bullet in her for me. Please, I beg. I need this problem to go away. So I can get everything and get Dark Knight and everything. Eh? All right. I appreciate you. All right. Talk to you soon. And listen, let me know when it is finished. Eh? All right. Bye. Hey. End the story, oh. End the story. This house thinks she got it all mapped out. But I know she playing me. That's why I'm using her right now. That's why I used her to go to Africa. And I'm still using her in the mob. It's not every time when your enemy do something, you kill them straight away or let them know what's going on. You gotta be like a serpent. You gotta be like a slick ass snake. Cause she ain't gonna see me coming. I'm a snake when I'm ready. You know I have to be. And I'm gonna bite her with all my venom. Don't she know that I'm the godmother? That's why my father left me in charge of this mob right here. Yeah, I got my crew. I ain't even worry what she trying to set up. And I know she after my man, Dark Knight. But you know what? She can't have him. And she can't have the mob. She can't have my position because it's not for her to have. Bitch ass. I got something for her. But you know what? I'm just gonna hang on and keep on using her and act like I'm dumb. And then I'm gonna just bite her ass. Oh! I'm me the godmother. Them better know. Right, and me run this. Now she run me. You think me I gonna make that they can have this style me? From she small that the bitch they jealous of me. Right, me glad say me hardcore. Right, she better recognize and know her, please. The grave I wait for her. Trust me. Cleopatra.
What's up, Blue?
Let's do this. We gotta do a bank transaction. And I'm gonna send you in with 3 keys. It's good stuff. It looks good, right?
Right in the bank. I'm gonna make sure you got the money for me.
You better recognize who is in control. The godmother talking to you live. You better pull it up enough for me and you, Cleopatra.
That's how it's gonna be because you got the money in the bank. You're gonna make the transaction. Oh, girl. These $100,000, you know what I'm gonna do with them things? We going out to Cali with those. Girl. Yes, my husband is gonna love me for this